What's going on? I wanted to share with you something today. It's something I like to trade. It's called closed end fund arbitrage. That is closed end fund arbitrage. This is something that um, a lot of retail investors, I ain't gonna say a lot of retail investors like to trade, but some retail investors, this is kind of a hedge fund secret. And I picked this up while doing a little bit of study and everything of that nature, and came across closed end fund trading. And what it is essentially is smaller hedge funds, not these big hedge funds on Wall Street. I'm pretty sure they're still on Wall Street, but they're smaller hedge funds. And sometimes they have a discount rate. And their discount rate could be from anywhere to 1 to 20 something percent, 25% or so, so that nature. And it's a quick way to grab 10, 15, 20% return on your money by going into these so-called hedge fund arbitrages, man. And so you go to my bad, CEF Connect, and you can always start a new search. I like to view all my last searches or whatever else, and it's a trade I'm thinking about taking up. I just go to my last view. It might take a moment. I got a lot of things running on my computer at the moment, but this is essentially what it is, man. These are smaller funds that you can trade and get a nice little return on however much money you want to put in, man. And as you can see here, um, you got all these funds, and a lot of them trade at a discount. Some of them are trade right up to the net asset value, and it's a pretty good way to just grab some percents off of your returns, man. So let's see if we can find a way to look at it, man. This is one I'm into, or I'm into it like as in I'm looking at it. I haven't bought into it as yet, but it's AOD. We can pull it up. Like I said, you might have to give me a moment. Got a lot of things running on my computer at the moment. Sorry for the inconvenience. This is an overview of AOD. The current, what is currently trading at per share price is $7.90. Net asset value of $9.08. That's a 13% premium discount. A 13% premium discount. And what you basically do is you can go buy the underlying, which is AOD. You could trade it on the stock exchange. You could go buy AOD and basically wait for it to reach its net asset value. And so, if we can pull it up on the chart here, which I already have loaded, like I said, my computer's running kind of slow today. It's raining outside. I don't know, Wi-Fi isn't working worth the shit, but here you go. It's the charts of AOD, and I got this pulled up on TradingView with my normal indicators and everything. But as you can see here, AOD has been pretty bullish the last couple of weeks, and just waiting on for it to reach its net asset value, which would be what I think if we recall $9.08. And so right now, it's trading at 7.90. Might be something you want to get into, man. As you can see, it already hit its lower peak here, starting to come back, and it's reaching the midway line. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna hyper exceed, but this is something that you could just buy and hold, man, if you're not a day trader or anything of that. So you can get into it and just sit back and wait and look over your equities, and you know make you a little bit of interest on return on your money. I mean, 13% discount. And as you can see here, we go into the portfolio characteristics, man. Apple. Apple is his largest holding. Now, I know a lot of the tech stocks have been getting beat down, man, but these are really good companies. You see, it's got Broadcom, FedEx, Delta Air, um, Next Era, Norfolk Southern Corporation. These are really, really good, strong companies with really good underlying earnings, and good future business prospects, man. So this is something that you may be wanting to look into, and I just wanted to share that with you today. And I always thank you for tuning in.